Welcome to English Made Simple. Improve your spoken English by listening and practicing these questions and answers.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza is my favorite.
What's your favorite food to cook?
I love making pasta.
What's the most exotic food you've ever eaten?
Once I ate balut and it was exotic.
What's your favorite subject to study?
I like to study science.
What's your least favorite subject to study?
I don't like to study math.
What's your best study tip?
Find a quiet place to focus and take breaks every 30 to 45 minutes.
What's your favorite way to stay active?
Go for a run or a walk, or play sports like basketball and volleyball.
What's your favorite healthy food?
I don't eat healthy food.
What's your best health tip?
Get enough sleep, like 7 to 8 hours per night.
How many times do you eat food in a day?
I eat 3 to 4 times in a day.
Who is your biggest inspiration?
My parents are my biggest inspiration.
Which thing you are most inspired of?
I am inspired of the good people around me.
What's your favorite quote?
The only way to do great work is to love what you do, by Steve Jobs.
What's your biggest dream?
Travel the world and learn about different cultures, and make a positive impact on the world and help others.
What's the most vivid dream you've ever had?
I once had a dream that I was flying. It was the most amazing feeling in the world.
Have you ever had a dream that came true?
Yes. I once had a dream that I was giving a presentation at work. The next day at work, I had to give a presentation.
What do you value most in a friendship?
Honesty, trust, and loyalty.
What's your favorite thing about our friendship?
We can talk about anything and everything, and you always make me laugh.
What's the best memory we have together?
Camping last summer and hiking, swimming, and sitting around the campfire at night.
What do you think is the most important thing in a relationship?
I think communication is most important in relationship.
What's your favorite thing about being in love?
Feeling like you have someone to share everything with, and knowing that there is someone who loves you unconditionally.
What's your best relationship advice?
Never take your partner for granted and always let them know how much you love and appreciate them.
What's your favorite piece of technology?
Smartphone is my favorite piece of technology.
What's your least favorite piece of technology?
I don't like to watch TV.
What's your biggest concern about the future of technology?
It will become too addictive and people will spend too much time on their screens, and it could be used for malicious purposes.
Where is your favorite place you've ever traveled to?
Last year I traveled to Italy and it was my favorite trip.
Where is your dream vacation spot?
I want to travel to Canada.
What's your best travel tip?
Be flexible and pack light.
What's your favorite hobby?
Reading is my favorite hobby.
What's a hobby you've always wanted to try but haven't yet?
Learning to play a musical instrument.
What's the best thing about having hobbies?
They can be a great way to relax and de-stress. Please subscribe for more.